Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to contribute to this bill, which is very crucial. It's a very important bill, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as
In the Gazette notice, I indicated that the business to be transacted at the special sittings shall be as follows. 1. Consideration of the Climate Change Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bills number 42 of 2023, and 2. Consideration of a motion on the alteration of the Senate calendar for the second session. Honorable Senators, at the morning sitting, the Senate will consider the Climate Change Amendment Bill, National Bills number 42 of 2023 at the second reading stage. The Senate will also receive the report of the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on the bill. And a notice for alteration of the Senate calendar will be given. The business schedule for the afternoon sitting will be consideration of the said bill at the Committee of the Whole and third reading stages, as well as debate on the motion for the alteration of the Senate calendar. In accordance with the Standing Order 33.5, the business specified in the Gazette notice referred to above and outlined in the order papers shall be the only business before the Senate during the special sittings, following which the Senate shall stand adjourned until the date specified in the Senate calendar. I thank you. Senators, you may walk in before I make the second communication. Honorable Senators, the inaugural African Climate Summit is scheduled to take place in Nairobi, Kenya, from the 4th to the 6th September 2023 at the Kenyatta International Convention Center. This event, monumental in its nature, is spearheaded by the government of Kenya through the efforts of His Excellency President William Ruto, PhD, CJH, and convened in partnership with the African Union Commission, the Global Center on Adaptation, and the African Development Bank. The summit represents an unparalleled opportunity for the African countries to address the challenges posed by climate change. The summit will explore the following 6 thematic areas that have been identified to combat climate change for tangible solutions and actions. 1, climate finance. 2, mitigation and green growth. 3, climate adaptation and resilience. 4, loss and damage. 5, climate vulnerable groups. And 6, research, innovation, and technology. Honorable Senators, during the Pan-African Parliament Summit on Climate Policy and Equity, which was held in Midrand, South Africa on the 17th May 2023, His Excellency President William Ruto emphasized on the need for an African Climate Summit that provides an opportunity to underscore and forge consensus on the modalities of unlocking Africa's vast potential to give a positive impact on the climate change agenda. Further, a summit that rallies the world to tap on the numerous opportunities that Africa presents towards global net zero carbon emission. The role of parliaments and parliamentarians in this pursuit cannot be overstated. Parliaments and parliamentarians play crucial legislative, oversight and budget making and approvals roles, which are essential in policy development and implementation and ensure government accountability and effectiveness. Parliaments also link vital knowledge with constituents, facilitating need-based and effective climate action. At the international level, legislators can work with their counterparts to build synergies and coordinated approaches at the negotiation stage for shared regional interests. Now, honorable senators, consequently, a parliamentary dialogue has been slated in the program of the African Climate Summit on Monday, 4th September 2023 from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. at the conference venue. Another full-day dialogue is scheduled on Wednesday, 6th September 2023 at the National Assembly Chamber. The two dialogues will bring together parliamentarians from across Africa to deliberate on the role of legislators in achieving the outcomes of the summit. The dialogue will culminate in a communique which will serve as a landmark document outlining the commitments of African legislatures to actionable climate governance. Honorable Senators, I extend an invitation to all honorable senators to attend and participate in the parliamentary dialogue. Your attendance and contribution will signify the commitment of the Parliament of Kenya to taking decisive climate action. I thank you. Yes, Majority Leader.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Speaker, but I appreciate your communication. It's only missing in very critical information where the parliamentary directions for the parliamentary caucus meetings, whether it will be at KICC or here in Parliament, doesn't feature in your communication. And I think it's important it's made clear so that members who are planning to attend can know and move about easily.
Majority Leader, I had indicated that the parliamentary dialogue that is slated for Monday